is controlled in the mind. Knowing that what we're thinking and what we're feeling, and not just that, but what we're saying to ourselves in self-talk, is what is controlling our wealth and the factors that are connected with that. This is something that we all tend to ignore, and maybe we just bypass it because we're not paying attention to what we're doing. So how we think has an emotion attached to that. So as you're thinking through your day, and as you're going through your day, and you're saying, okay, I am happy, I'm healthy, I'm wealthy, but what is the emotion that you have attached when you're saying that? What is the feeling you're projecting? That's what's going to determine your wealth factor. So when your conscious mind thinks, I am wealthy and I take action when opportunity comes. The thing is, what I'm hearing a lot about is, and that you may relate to this or you may not, is, first of all, affirmations are very powerful. Affirmations are words that we say to ourselves and to the universe, and we have emotions and feelings attached to those words. Those words and those feelings is what's going to attract back to each one of us what we receive. So knowing that, okay, I have an opportunity come my way. Now, I've been manifesting, I've been trying, I've been working on this, I've been going all in for this, and then it comes my way, so I jump on board and I buy that course. Okay? Fabulous, right? But then you're saying, okay, why is it that every time, this may or may not relate to you, every time I buy that course or that opportunity that comes my way, I put it aside. I don't work on it. I don't follow through with the instructions. I don't go all the way with it. A lot of times I'll just push it away on the shelf or in a file on my computer. Thing is, I'm going to ask you right now, what is your self-belief? Do you believe in yourself? Do you believe in what you want can happen? Think about that for just a second as we go on here. I want you to know there's more than enough wealth for everyone in this planet, in this world, at any given time. There is more than enough wealth. And I know you've probably heard this before, but if the universe were to shake everything up and divide all the wealth up, all the money, all the gold, the silver, the gems, the precious metals, everything, up between all the people, what would happen within, say, 5 years? All the wealth would go back to those who believe they can have it, who believe they deserve it, who believe they're worthy. It would go right back to those people because they're, not only are they taking action, but they have a belief in themselves. So you're going to see a lot of people out there that are working from home that are actually making it work, right? We do this and we give videos and we do trainings to help everyone out there to get past these hurdles, because affirmations are affirming what you desire. So choose an affirmation, create your own affirmations is what I suggest, and affirm what you believe. You have to change your beliefs first and foremost. If you don't believe you can have the wealth you want, if you don't believe you can be that person, if you don't believe that what you desire to have come is going to come, then how's it going to come? You have to believe it first. When you believe in yourself, do you realize that everything you work on will come in time? But first of all, you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe that what you're doing. And when you buy a course or you get involved in an opportunity, you have to actually work on it. You have to actually do it. You can't sit on the sidelines and wait for something to happen by saying, okay, I believe, but when inside you really don't. So think about that. That's really important, guys, because by taking action, you're purchasing the training. You're saying, okay, this came to me for a reason, right? This came to me for a reason. So I'm going to take this because it came to me and there's something in here that's going to help me to increase my income, increase my wealth, increase my whatever it is you're working on. It's all about that. So take a look at what you're doing and believe you want to have a better life. You want to have it in your conscious mind. It could be your ego that's stopping you. It could be the subconscious mind, whatever it is. You can get past that. You don't have to be stuck right there. You can keep moving forward. by believing and taking action steps every day. It can't be just a once a week thing or a once a month thing. You can't say, okay, well, I bought this course today, so I'm going to let it sit on my shelf for a year and we'll see what happens, right? No. Nothing's going to happen. You're going to go further down the rabbit hole of, there's a gnat flying around my face, of not having what you want. You're going to keep going in that same path that you're on unless you take action and actually learn the skills, work the course, work the training, get involved in the opportunity that you're in. Take advantage of the skills that are being taught to you. Learn them, use them. I can't stress enough how important it is for everyone out there to have success in what you're doing. It's all cause and effect. Cause and effect is attached to the law of attraction. There's always a cause. It's going to happen, it's going to come, and there's an effect from what you do. Okay? Because there's always an effect. When you take action and you're actually working it, you're actually learning something new, you're learning a skill, you're putting that skill to work, that is an effect. You're going to have an effect back from that. The laws of cause and effects are right there, and they're always working for you. You can have them work in your favor, or you can have them work against you. Ask yourself, what am I doing right now that is causing the law of attraction, that's causing cause and effect to work against me? What am I doing that is working against me? Take a look at that, because whatever you're doing that is not working for you is working against you. Because a thought will get you in the door. A conscious thought will get started. A belief will take you to the next level. Right? And have confidence in yourself. Know that, you know what, I'm working on this, I'm doing this, and it's all working out for me because I am consistent. Consistency is important. Do it every day. I will start over when it starts to go awry. I will stop. I will take a deep breath. Maybe I'll meditate for a few minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Maybe I'll take a quick power nap. Whatever it is, I want to clear my mind. I want to clear those thoughts away. I want to clear those emotions away. For me, I find meditation is the best way. I can sit and meditate for 5 or 10 minutes, clear my mind, get my thoughts back in order. Boom. It all comes about. So start over when a thought or feeling comes out of nowhere that's got you going down the rabbit hole. It's got you going in a different direction. There's always a way to change what comes. And then ask yourself, okay, do I believe what I'm doing is right for me? Do I believe I'm worthy of this? Do I believe I can have this? Because number one, you are worthy. Number one, you deserve to have a great life. Number two, you have to allow yourself to have these things in your life. They're not going to come by themselves. You have to allow them to come in. That's part of receiving. So I love to say, and this is something I always do because I have faith in what I'm doing. I have faith in myself. I have faith in the actions that I take. Is everything is always working out for me. Everything is always working out for me. Or you could take it from the scriptures is Romans 8:28 is all things work together for good. Or I like to mix it around a little bit and I like to change that. And I like to say all things work together for my good. All things work together for my good, which means everything's working together for me. And when you allow that to happen and you allow that energy to flow to you, do you realize how powerful you are when you allow that to happen? Because your thoughts and your feelings will attract the cause and effect that happens in your life. Your thoughts and your feelings, you have to have a belief. Believe yourself to be the success you want to be. Believe yourself to be that person. Believe yourself to have that life. Believe yourself to be successful in whatever you're doing. When you can believe in yourself and you have faith in what you're doing, don't just buy that course. Don't just join that opportunity. Don't just join that group just to be doing it, just because you see other people doing it. Do it because you're going to get value from it, and there's so much in there that you're going to use. There's training every day, or whatever it is that you are working on. There's going to be skills that you're going to learn that you're going to need. Learn them and use them and have faith in yourself no matter what you do. That's the key right there, guys. Have faith in who you are and have faith in what you're doing.